Hi, today I want to talk about Pine Processionary Caterpillars. If you live in Spain or thinking about moving to Spain, something we did when we came to move is you look for dangerous animals, dangerous insects, things like that, just to be aware of them. Something we found out about was the Pine Processionary Caterpillar. Some friends of ours had issues where their dog has died by coming into contact with them. We've got 3 pine trees in the middle of our garden, and since we got here I have tried many things to get rid of the nests. They come every year. The moth lays around about this time of year, between end of June till September, and then they hatch in the winter, December, January, that sort of time, depending on how warm the weather is, etc. In previous times, as you can see, I've just had to cut nests out, the branches, and burn them, which isn't the nicest job. But I have come across a trap. Something that I was told about was the Pine Processionary trap. Now, you buy the actual trap itself, which is 30-40 euros maybe, tops. And then every year you buy a little pheromone to inject in the top, and the pheromone is to attract the mating moths. So theoretically you put a bit of water in the bottom of that and they get drawn into there and don't get a chance to lay or fertilize the eggs. Last year I never had one nest, first time since we've been here. So yes, the pheromone is under 10 euros. And it will last for the 2 to 3 months. We put it up about last week in June, and it protects up until September. So yeah, when you've actually put your pheromone in, added your water, I suggest with ours, because we've got 3 trees, I place it in the middle of the tree. It'll go up on the centre of that tree there. And yeah, hopefully we'll have another good year where we don't have any. What actually happens is, obviously the caterpillars grow up in the tree. When they reach maturity, they come down the tree in a line. That's why they're called processionary. And the dogs inquisitively go to sniff them, go to see what they are, and they've got a very fine hair that they discharge, which is poisonous, and it's really bad for the doggies. So anything we can do that prevents the dogs getting sick is all for the good. Hope this helps. I hope you try it. If you've got any other ideas on stopping these little pests, then please leave a comment. Thank you. Bye.